everybody, this is Dr. Kyle with Ice Clinics bringing you your next tip for Tuesday. So if you're somebody that has knee pain, I want you to listen up to this particular tip for Tuesday. I'm just going to give you a few tips and things that you can identify that you might be doing throughout your day where you don't even notice you're causing yourself trouble. So depending on where you're having your knee pain, if it's more kind of along the joint line on the inside, if it's around your kneecap, if it's around the back of the knee, all these principles kind of hold true. So just keep an eye out for it if you identify it or see it. I think much like myself and many patients I work with, at the end of a long day, we like to sit down, relax, maybe stretch our feet out. This, especially if where you're resting your feet is elevated relative to where you're sitting, can cause a lot of strain on the knee just from the lack of support here. And what gravity will actually do is put a slight bit of hyperextension into the knee. So if you're here watching a show for 30 minutes to an hour and you don't move and then you get up, you can really cause yourself to stretch out the ligament structure in there, which can put some added strain on that knee. Another common one, if you're sitting and watching TV, is to maybe tuck a leg under you or even reading a book, those kind of things. I even talk to patients that do this while they're driving. So if you sit in this position for long periods of time with the knee that's giving you trouble, it can really throw things off. And even when you are standing, maybe talking to somebody, maybe the nature of your work requires you to stand, when you lean into a leg and you disengage the musculature, you're doing almost the same thing by hyperextending the structures, maybe in the knee, maybe in the hip. That can put a lot of ligamentous strain on things. So I just encourage you to maybe keep an eye out for those types of things. A few simple tips that you can walk away with. Try and avoid that knee pain. If you're still having trouble with it, please don't hesitate to reach out to us and see if we can't help. Again, my name is Dr. Kyle with Ice Clinics. Thanks for watching.